How to fix video call problem in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. App guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix the video call problem on your Messenger app. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix the video call problem on your Facebook Messenger app, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Now, of course, the first thing I would recommend you to do is to just go ahead and then long press on the Messenger app icon and then tap on the I button. And you'll come to the app information page. Once you come to app information page, first of all, go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Make sure to delete all of the data. Once done, come back and then you want to simply come to the permissions tab, where first of all you need to allow the access to camera, because if Messenger app does not have camera permission, it will not be able to make video calls. And of course the microphone, because it will not be able to hear what you say if you do not allow the microphone permissions. Similarly, make sure to allow all the other permissions that the Messenger app will actually require, such as music and audio, notifications. You also want to make sure to allow notifications. You want to make sure to access your phones. You want to make sure to access calendar. Whatever is set to not allowed, just repeat the process and make sure that it is set to allowed. Now after that, what I would recommend you to do is open up your Play Store and then simply search for the Messenger application. And once you search for the Messenger app over here, you'll most likely see an update button. If you see an update button, make sure to update the Messenger app to the latest version, because what updating this is, it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. And hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.